Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will fix the error of 0x80070057. This error usually appears during updates, file operations, or system changes. First, open File Explorer and click on this PC. Now right-click on the C drive and select Properties. After the window opens, go to the Tools tab and click on the check button. Windows will start scanning your drive for issues. This process can take a few minutes, so wait patiently. Once the scan is complete, it will show a message saying, "The drive was successfully scanned." Click Close and exit the window. Now let's move to the second method. Click on the search bar and type CMD. When it appears, select Run as Administrator. After the command prompt opens, we will reset some important Windows Update components. Carefully type the following commands one by one. First type net stop wazrv and press enter. Then type net stop crypt svc and press enter. After that type net stop bits and press enter. Then type net stop msserver and press enter. These commands stop update-related services. Next, we will rename two important folders. Type /Windows/software distribution/software-distribution.old and press enter. After that type /Windows/system32/catroot2catroot2.old and press enter. Once this is done, we will restart the services again. Type net start wazrv and press enter. Then type net start crypt svc and press enter. After that type net start bits and press enter. And finally type net start msserver. These commands rebuild your update components from scratch. When everything is completed, close the command prompt. Now restart your PC and check again. In most cases, the 0x80070057 error disappears completely. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.